Okay, so in today's video, you guys, I'm coming to you guys with the IPSY GLAM bag for the month of February 2025. The bag is $14 a month. You get 5 deluxe size items. A lot of times I end up getting like full size items. So we're finna get into this bag real quick. I hope you guys are doing well. If you guys are interested in this bag, I'll make sure to leave all the information down below. So anyways, here's the bag. Here's the bag right here. This is really cute. It look like a little lollipop. This is real cute. Y'all know I'm be off into the bags like that. The bags ain't bad. It's just that I just want to know what's in the bags. But this is really cute for Valentine's Day. So I'm digging that. And it says IPSY on there. Y'all know that's real cute. Anyhow, so that's the bag. That is the bag. All right. Let's see if we got a card. We do. We have a card this month. So here's a card right here. Again, sometimes you get most of the times we get a card, but sometimes they don't have one. But we got a card this month. I love getting the cards because it has the names and the items and the prices inside the card. So the theme for this month is self-love. Starts here. Right there. Boom. You got some little makeup information on the back. And then we do have the names and prices of the items inside the card. So let's get into this. Let's get into this bag. All right, so the first thing I'm pulling out the bag is a Barrier Culture body cream. Okay, and this is by the new. I don't know if this the new code or just, I think it's just the new. I've never heard of just the new, but let me see what this is going for. So we have the new. So the full size item of this is going for $48. It's called the new Code Barrier Culture Body Cream. It says this barrier repairing body cream does more than just drench skin and hydration. It focuses on bringing your skin barrier function back to balance with pre, post, and post biotics that support your skin microbiome. Yeah, microbiome, I think. Microbiome. So it's a body cream, okay? And it says for the tip is to soothe a generous amount all over your body, focusing on all the dry spots. The full size version of this product is going for $48. $48. And this is a nice size, okay? That's a nice size. Let's see if we has a seal. Okay. It's nice and thick too. I like that. It got kind of like a, I don't know, smells kind of medicinal, medical. I can't get the scent, but it does have a scent. I don't really care for the scent, but we definitely gonna try it out, honey. Especially since it's winter here, it's cold, and my hands are always cracked and dry and ashy, honey. So we gonna use this. We're gonna put this right in. I'm gonna put this right in my purse. So that's the first item in our IPSY GLAM bag. I'm pulling out the bag is by the Do of the Gods. I love mostly all items from the Do of the Gods, and this is a, I don't know, a facial oil. Let me see. Yeah, I don't know. So this right here. So there it is right there. I love their products. And see, with items like this, y'all, this is what I'll do with these. So I'll set these in the bathroom or at my little desk where I do my makeup at. And like in the mornings when I take my shower and wash my face, all of that good stuff. And I'll start doing my skincare. I don't use like a whole bunch of steps. I don't. But I'll put this on in the mornings. Or if my face get dry during the evening, I'll put it on. You know what I mean? So these little products do come in handy. And if I like it, I can purchase them. But a lot of times these really last. A lot of times, I ain't gonna say they last like long like that, but if you get so many, being that I get the IPSY GLAM bag, that's $14 a month. But you get so many skincare and facial products that they end up lasting a little while because you got so many other little items to kind of like switch back and use. You know what I'm saying? So this definitely gonna work. We're gonna see. This definitely gonna work. and we gonna use it. We got your little dropper right there, and we got a little oil. I like that. I love Do It to Gods anyways. I mean, I don't like the little name, Do It to Gods, but you know what I'm saying? Do of the Gods, Pomeglaze Glaze. So yeah, I love their products. It's really nice. I can't even really tell if it has a scent because I got that body cream on my hand. But yeah, that's the second item in the bag. I like that. We're going to use that. And the full size, what's the full? Okay, so the full size is going for $30. Okay, so you can try that. If you like it, you can go buy it. And if you don't, you still was able to try it. So I love that. That's what I love about getting these little bags, okay? The third item in the bag is by Rhode Island. I haven't received anything from Rhode Island in a hot minute. Actually, the last time I received something from Rhode Island, I believe, was maybe last year or maybe 2 years ago. And what was it? Oh, hell, was it 2 or 3 years ago? It's been a minute. And those were those blush drops. It was a blush, like with the dropper. If y'all know what I'm talking about, if you do, let me know down below. I haven't received anything since then. Anyhow, okay, so it says, okay, so this is a Rhode Island Pink Diamond Salicylic Acid Gel Cleanser. And what salicylic is it helps with swelling and redness, and it helps reduce black skin pores. So salicylic acid is really, really good. I haven't seen anything from Rhode Island in a minute, and I'm definitely going to use this. Actually, my daughter, again, she has acne prone skin, so I'm gonna see how this works on her. So we definitely gonna try this out too. And if in fact y'all want to know how it works, let me know down in the comments, and I'll let y'all know. So we're gonna use it. And the full size product of this is, oh, it just says the travel size product. So the travel size product is $14. The fourth item in the box is this right here. This is a Mo Beauty Mo Jelly. It's a lip tint. It's a blush jet. Wait a minute. Mo Beauty Mo Jelly Blush Plus Lip Tint and Berry Crush. So this is for your lips and a blush. I don't know. I've never heard of this. The full size version is going for $32. So you can use this for a blush. It's like a jelly stick blush. You can use it for your lips and your cheeks. We'll see. Let me see. Alright, so here it is right here. It took me 20 years to take it off, but this is it right here. It's really cute, actually. I've never heard of, what's this? I've never heard of this brand. I think it's Mo Beauty. Mo Beauty, I think. Mo Beauty. So there's the color right there. So boom, okay. Definitely keep this so it don't dry out. That's what I'm thinking. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, that's pretty. Let me see. Let me do it on my skin right here. Let's try it right here. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. I'm digging that. And I like that color too. Y'all know I love that color. Ooh. Yeah, I know I like that. I'm gonna put a little bit on my lips, just a little bit. I got on it might not show up. Because I got on some I have on this lip gel right here. This is really nice by Okkkkk. Honey, baby child, it's really nice. No, I'm just gonna focus it. I'm just gonna keep it on here. That's really pretty though. Okay, all right. Yeah, I know I get real crazy when it comes to use these damn products, but that's really pretty. I like that. I dig that. Like, I love that a lot. That's pretty. Okay, I'm excited for this. And I love the way it feels. So I'm going to put this back on here so it doesn't dry out. I like that a lot. That's really pretty. Let me know down below if you guys heard of this company and if you like it. But I'm digging this. Okay, so the full size product of this is going for $32. $32, y'all, for, oh, this better last all day. For $32, this better last all freaking day, okay? It better last. But it is pretty. I don't know about paying $32 for it though. I'm gonna try to make this last as long as I can. As long as I can, honey, because $32 for a blush, ooh wee. Y'all paying $32 for a blush or not? Yeah, no judgment. No judgment. Anyways, the last item in the bag is by Benefit, and this is, I think it's a mascara. I think. Let me look. So here it is, right here. Yeah, it's a mascara. It's a mascara. All right. Boom. Is this new or did I just miss it? I don't know. I've never seen, well, hell, I haven't been buying makeup, so, which that's a good thing. Actually, I did buy one thing from two things. My bad. I was about to lie on camera. Excuse me. I went and bought 2 items from Ulta yesterday, and all it was two brow, what was it? Yeah. It was two eyebrow pencils. That's it. I got this one for myself, and then I had to take the other one back and get a different color for my daughter. So yeah, I only bought 2 eyebrow pencils. That's it. That's all. So anyways, this is a mascara. This is a mascara. Where is my paper? Because my storage is running out, honey. The storage is running out. So yes, this is a mascara from Benefit. It says Benefit Cosmetics Bad Gal, excuse me, not girl, Bad Gal Bounce Volumizing Mascara in Pumped Up Black. And the full size, is that $29? Yeah, the full size version is going for $29. $29. So let's take a look at it. Okay. We're gonna definitely use this and check it out. Of course, I already have on some mascara. But yeah, y'all, we're going to check this out. Let me know if y'all tried this. Is this new? I don't know if it's new or not, but it's new to me. So we're going to definitely give it a try. So that's it, folks. That is it for our IPSY GLAM bag. Let me know down below what you got in your IPSY GLAM bag for the month of February. Did you like your bag? Did you not like your bag? Comment down below. Let me know what you liked. Let me know what you didn't like. I want to talk to you. I want to talk to y'all. Let me know what you like and let me know what you didn't like. That is it for this video. Please give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see all you beautiful, blessed people in my next video. I am LaDonna, and I'm out. Bye, y'all. Bye. This blush is so pretty, though. My nose a little bit too red. So what? It's okay. I like it like that. It's winning time. Bye, y'all.